So today I'm going to be installing and styling this wig that I received from DOLA hair. And so basically I'm just going to give y'all a couple of details about the wig, and throughout the video I'll just tell y'all how I like the hair, and then I'm just going to continue to let y'all watch. So this is a 13x6 transparent fake scalp wig, and the texture of this wig is straight. This wig is 150% density, and the inches on this wig is 24. So the wig did initially come with a fake scalp. However, I am not a fan of fake scalp. I like my lace fronts or my lace closures to just look natural, and I don't know, some people may feel like the fake scalp looks good. I don't think so. So it was nothing for me to just cut that piece off and install it like a regular wig. Now getting into the actual lace, I really like the lace. I feel like the lace looked so natural. When I received it, before I even bleached or plucked the knots, this lace came already pre-plucked, and also like the knots were invisible. So that's always a plus for me if I just don't have to do too much to make the wig look natural. I actually purchased hair from DOLA hair a couple of years ago, and one thing about this hair, they are gonna always come through with a nice natural looking lace front. So I'm just gonna let y'all continue to watch the video without me doing a voiceover, and I'm gonna let y'all know how I like the hair overall towards the end of the video. Okay, so overall, the hair is nice. So, a couple of things that I do like about the wig, I do like the lace frontal. I love how seamless and natural it look. And another thing that I do like about this wig is how the hair doesn't shed. The hair is very soft and it has like this nice silky texture to it. Now, something that I do not really like much about the hair is that this 150% density is very thin to me. Like, I feel like the hair could have been thicker. And I know it can't get any thicker with 150% density, but I just feel like the hair just could have been a little bit more thicker. Like, I don't feel like it was as full as I was expecting it to be. But so if you guys are just looking forward to purchasing this hair, try to go for a more thicker density if you want that full look. So I do love the style that I did. I just came up with this style off the top of my head and I'm like, you know what, this might look cute. So I did it and I loved it. If you are looking forward to purchasing this hair, I do have a discount code in my description box. That is the end of this video, and don't forget to subscribe so y'all can stay tuned for more videos as well.